Imagine waking up in the morning feeling an overwhelming sense of dread, not tied to any real danger. You might be experiencing anxiety. Anxiety is fairly common, but when it becomes a disorder, it can significantly affect daily life. Today, let's talk about anxiety: what causes it, what it feels like, how doctors figure out if you have it, and what can help. Anxiety doesn't always come from something you can see or touch. It can come from inside your head, from things that stress you out, or from stuff that happened to you before. Things like being super scared of something or having mental health problems can make anxiety worse. Physically, anxiety kicks in when your body thinks there's danger around and it starts pumping out stress hormones even when there's no real danger. Anxiety can show up in different ways. Your body can get sweaty, your heart might race, or you might find it hard to breathe. You might feel really jittery or keep moving around a lot. Mentally, it's like your brain can't focus and you keep having thoughts that won't go away. Emotionally, you might feel really on edge or scared, and sometimes it gets so bad it feels like you're having panic attacks. Doctors figure out if you have anxiety by first making sure there's nothing else wrong with you and asking about your life and feelings. If you've been worrying way too much for more than 6 months and it's messing up your life, they might say you have generalized anxiety. There are different ways to help with anxiety, like talking to someone about it, taking medicine, or doing both. Therapy and learning how to relax can really help too. Anxiety can really make life tough, but knowing what causes it and how it works can make a big difference. Talking to a doctor or therapist and finding out what works for you and can help make you feel better can help you get back to doing the stuff you love. Remember, help is available. With the right support, anxiety is highly treatable.